Well, here we're looking at Celgene Corp. This is at around 100, 170, 127, right around that level. We also could see that it's having a very good initial move from the last correction it went through. It went through a pretty decent size correction, kind of came back just like very similar with the overall market, had this big move. So far, it's been kind of holding this angle, and it's been really starting to trend. What I like here is that we've been seeing the 50-day and it holding this line so far from the GAN line. You could see the importance of this line right here as it kind of comes in and holds all the price action. We really want to see that continue to extend. I think it's going to be important, though, as we see prices kind of move toward November, that it really should try to hit that target already, which I think if we really see a very good move, it could try to retest the prior high. Now, that's what I think is makes sense. You could see this 140. I think it could probably try to go to like 145, maybe just shy of that. But I would be careful as it starts to move up into those ranges. It needs to really make a good break over this support level, or this prior resistance, really. Keep in mind, it had a very big move. This is kind of starting to shake up. So this could be like its final five move on a lot of these stocks. So traders need to keep mindful that a lot of times they lose the momentum on the five wave. That's the whole premise of what starts to happen. So they get a little more tricky trying to get into the moves on these final, blow off moves, but they can be lucrative too. So watch for support at the this midpoint at the 124. This should try to maintain the 120 level. I think if it breaks this 118 range, this box, I'd probably be gone, thinking that, hey, we're probably going to see another low or another test of this range, and it just failing, and it's kind of gasping back up, but then breaks as it tries to touch the prior swing high, because we've got to keep in mind that this could try to create a double top as it moves back. But seems like this sector seems like it's getting a little bit of good play, and it's been having a pretty good move so far. And now that we're seeing a pretty good move toward the prior pivot resistance range, I think we could see a good follow through.